Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name's Holden Blaze from No Degree Needed, and today I'm going to be talking about how you can transform a regular photo in your camera roll into a photo created in the Studio Ghibli style. I'm sure you've seen a bunch of these images all around the internet in the past couple of days, and that is because ChatGPT just rolled out a massive new update. With this update, users are finding it extremely easy to transform images from their camera roll into different animation styles and artwork styles in general. For example, here are some of the photos that I generated earlier today in preparation for this video. You can see it does a pretty good job on a lot of these images, some better than others. However, I'm going to be teaching you guys how exactly to do this in the easiest way possible, and then later on I will be giving you some more advanced tips if you are very interested in pursuing this. The very first step is to go into ChatGPT and make sure you are on a paid subscription model. There are multiple subscriptions available for OpenAI, and I do believe you have to be paying at least $20 a month in order to access this new update that OpenAI rolled out. After you fork over the $20, you're going to want to go to the home page of ChatGPT and open up a fresh chat. From here, you're going to see a blank text box, and the first thing you're going to do is click on that plus icon and choose the image that you want to transform. For the sake of this video, I will be using this image right here. And from here, all you have to do is type "turn into Ghibli studio style." That's literally all you have to add. You can be more specific and add other keywords on the end of this. And I actually do recommend you try a couple different variations because adding keywords will change the photo a little bit. However, this is the simplest method possible and you're basically already done. From here, all you have to do is click the send button and you will have to wait a couple of minutes as it generates the image. You will see this text above the blurred out image that says getting started. This lets you know that it's working on the image, and once it's done, it will say image created. At this point, if you still see a blurred out image or just a gray box, all you're going to have to do is refresh that page that you're on and the image should populate and you should be able to download it. Most of the time you do not have to refresh the page. However, if you're switching between tabs, you likely will have to do that. Just don't freak out when you see a gray box and think that this whole process didn't work. With that being said, you really don't have to sit here with me and watch this image generate. So with the magic of video editing, it happens to be done right now. As you can see, it says image created above the image itself. This time the image did populate, but again, if it doesn't, just refresh the page and you should have an image that is available to download. From here, you just save it to your device, and that basically is the whole entire process. Now, I did say there are some more advanced techniques, and that is in fact true. If you are not satisfied with the product that ChatGPT is giving you with this prompt, you can head over to Sora in the top left-hand corner and try that out. Sora is basically built to be a text-to-image or text-to-video software, and I have found that this update that OpenAI rolled out has benefited Sora in a massive way. Regardless, the more advanced technique is basically the same as the beginner technique. You just add in an image that you want to change and you paste in a very similar prompt to the first one. That being said, while the process is very similar, you're able to modify the final outcome much more easily on Sora. For example, if we're transforming this famous photo of LeBron James and Dwayne Wade into a Studio Ghibli style, we may not be happy with this one on the left because the face looks a little wonky on LeBron, and the photo on the right, while we may like the face better, you have to realize that the jersey itself is much worse and it changed the player's number. If you wanted to change a very specific part of a photo on Sora, all you have to do is click remix and then select the area that you want changed. From here, you can add even more descriptive keywords. For example, I want a detailed version of LeBron James's face, and this will help you edit any minor flaws that may occur in the first creation of the image. I really hope you found some value in this video. Don't forget to absolutely demolish that like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this.